recently, hello everybody. Hi subscribers. Hi everyone out there. Hi audience. It's great to see you. So recently, I had someone say sorry to me, and here's what I said in return: I don't accept your apology, and here is why. First and foremost, this is first, and it's the priority. It's the number one. It's because you haven't done anything wrong. Number two, I have no rules for you. And number three, I have no standards for you. I have none. Zero. Zilch. Nada. Zip. Nothing. Whatever you choose to be and do in your life, only you have to answer for that. Only you. I'm not the ruler of your life. You're the ruler of your life. I'm the ruler of my life. The truth is that no one is the ruler of anyone. No one answers for anyone else's behavior or choices ever. If you did owe someone an apology, it would be to you, because you are the only one who can break your rules. You're the only one that sets standards for yourself. You're the only one who can be your judge, jury, and convictor. Whatever you perceive as wrong is based on beliefs you hold of what's right for you, not what's right according to me or anyone else. So listen, I can assure you there is absolutely nothing in my life that I perceive as wrong. Nothing. Which explains a lot, actually, now that I think about it. So be grateful if someone refuses your apology, because that means they have complete acceptance of you. It's complete and unconditional of your choices, your ideas, your life, of you. Total acceptance. When you live deliberately, your life becomes your own. Quit being sorry and subscribe already. Quit being sorry, subscribe. And while you're at it, hit that thank you thumb. Thank you so much. Thanks, channel subscribers. Absolutely. My unconditional love. Namaste.